can you talk to us a little bit about pet gut health? Like, do we need to be concerned about our pet's gut health?
Absolutely. It, it's really frustrating because when I was finishing veterinary school in 1990, they said, if your client's just not happy with the solution you've given them, then just give them a little amoxicillin. It's not going to hurt them, and it's not a big deal. And unfortunately, that antibiotic amoxicillin is going to alter the gut microbiome, but we had no idea about that. So what's happened with these guys is they get antibiotics, they get pesticides, often orally in the form of flea control. They are spayed and neutered very early in life, and that alters how their intestinal uh, that alters how their intestines are able to respond appropriately and house the appropriate microbiome. And what we've been finding is that, especially because we've neutered and spayed all of our pets somewhere around 6 months of age, is that they are producing an excessive amount of luteinizing hormone. And as a result, many of the tissues, including the intestines, are creating luteinizing hormone receptors. And that is a big part of why we're seeing such an epidemic of inflammatory bowel disease and syndrome in dogs and cats. So it is absolutely critical to make sure that we're getting the right food in to support the microbiome, and then using probiotics and other supplements to support the gut function. Just like
So
in us, if the gut's not working right, the rest of the body is not going to work right.